Hi guys, at the end of the assembly videos I said I might have a look at seeing if we could make it radio controlled. For no reason other than I can. It's not going to be powerful, it's only got a 3-volt motor on it, 2 AA batteries. It's only a belt drive, so if we run it too quickly we're going to snap that. Steering, for the demonstration, to get it go round in a circle, I stuck a rubber band on the bottom of it to pull the steering over to one side. But we should be able to put a servo on here and a wire linkage to push this side to side. For the actual ESC and power, I do have an adapter there that takes the place of one AA battery. If you put that in there, and then you can connect a LiPo battery to that connector. In fact, this one's been left in the sunlight and it's actually degraded and fallen apart. But we've still got the 2 pins on there, so that'll plug into a... well, actually, we won't plug that directly into the battery. We'll plug that into the ESC and the battery into the ESC. You'll see in a minute. I'll do it. I won't bother showing you what I'm doing. I'll do it and demonstrate it working. I will hot glue a servo on there just as a temporary thing. My idea is that I will donate this to a charity shop in normal working condition, not with the radio control on it. So there's enough room here for the receiver and that. I'll use the stuff that I used on this little car. So I've got a... yeah, it's a Fly Sky, got an ESC there, and got servo there. So if I take that off, hot glue it under there, then it should work. I've actually got a 2S LiPo battery on there. I don't want to give it full power because we'll probably just burn it out. Well, it stopped anyway. What's going on there? Right, well, I'll show you what I've done. It's very messy because it's very, very temporary. So on the back, I've got a 2S LiPo sitting there. That's the original battery box with my AA adapter that plugs into a normal JST connector. And then that crocodile clip lead is just joining where the other battery would be if we had 2 batteries in the battery box. So that's completing the circuit. The ESC is sitting under there somewhere, in there. That's the original wires down to the motor, so no change there. There's our radio control receiver. It's sitting there because I've got quite a short lead on the servo that is just hot glued in place under there. If I just hold that a second. Oh, the battery's just dropped out the back. I think we can still demonstrate steering. Yeah. So that was simple enough. In fact, if we plug that back in the right place, then the steering wheel should turn at the same time. So there we go, radio controlled. So I've done that very, very, very temporary because I want to take it all off so I can donate it to a charity shop for somebody to play with without the RC gear on it. So, job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.